In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the font size in Google Chrome so that you can customize your browsing experience to suit your preferences. Whether you're looking for a more comfortable reading experience or simply want to experiment with how text appears on your screen, adjusting the font size can make a significant difference. Let's walk through this simple process together. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. If you don't already have it open, take a moment to locate its icon on your desktop or in your applications menu and give it a click. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. There, you'll notice three dots aligned vertically. This is your main menu access, providing a gateway to a plethora of customization options. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will immediately appear, presenting you with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select the one labeled Settings. This will navigate you to the main settings page where you can adjust numerous aspects of the browser to better fit your needs. Now that you're on the settings page, look towards the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. This is where various settings categories are listed, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. In this instance, you'll want to locate and click on Appearance. This category covers all things visual regarding your browser. Upon entering the Appearance section, you're just a step away from customization. Here, you'll see an option labeled Font Size. Right next to this label is a drop-down menu that allows you to change how text is displayed in your browser. Go ahead and click that drop-down menu to explore your font's options. In this menu, you will see several choices ranging from very small to very large. These options are designed to cater to different preferences and ensure everyone can find a size that is comfortable for them. You can experiment by selecting a size and checking how it affects the text in your browser until you find the perfect fit for you. Whether you prefer smaller text to fit more on the screen or larger text for easier readability, this simple adjustment can greatly enhance your browsing experience. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to adjust the font size in Google Chrome to better suit your visual preferences. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime should your needs or preferences change. Customizing your browser not only makes for a more enjoyable experience, but can also increase productivity and reduce eye strain during those long sessions online. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!